one of the strongest wealth building medium over time has been real estate investment, and from the look of things, it's not going anywhere soon. This is intellectually crafted estates in the Siren neighborhood of Lagos State, and this axis is one of the best selling environments, is where Angle Blue Estate is. Angle Blue Estate is in Ajah Lekki Road, precisely in Abraham Adesoya. This estate was launched last year and the landed property is sold out. So what we have there is the building. So we have 1-bedroom apartment, 2-bedroom apartments, 2-bedroom terrace duplex, 3-bedroom terrace duplexes, and we have 2-bedroom duplexes, 3-bedroom terrace duplexes with studio apartments, and 4-bedroom semi-detached duplexes. I will play the video so that you can see how everything is going to look like. This estate, we are going to have 24/7 security, and as you can see, our lovely gatehouse and the management building, you can see, is very lovely. And all our building projects here, with initial deposit of 50% of anything you are going for, we are ready to kickstart your building. 1-bedroom apartment is going for 26 million naira. 2-bedroom apartment is going for 36 million naira. Yesterday I went through this axis. 2-bedroom apartment now is selling for 40 million naira in this axis. For you to key in into 2-bedroom apartment here is 36 million naira. So you are saving yourself 4 million naira for the 2-bedroom in this axis. To tell you that we are affordable, we have 2-bedroom duplex that is going for 55 million naira. We have 2-bedroom terrace duplex plus BQ that is going for 52 million naira. We have 3-bedroom terrace duplex with BQ is going for 60 million naira, and also we have 3-bedroom terrace duplex plus studio apartment. That one is going for 66 million naira, and to crown it all, we have 4-bedroom semi-detached duplex plus BQ going for 80 million naira. All our building project is off plan, and like I told you, with initial deposit of 50%, you are ready on the journey of owning a home in Angle Blue Estate. And you can choose any of our payment plan up to 18 months. Immediately you finish your payment, the delivery of your house is next 6 months. So be rest assured that we are actually going to deliver your house at the particular period of time we tell you that we'll deliver it. And as you can see, the estate, we've started building. So we have a lot of infrastructure that we'll put together in this estate. There is going to be a recreational center. There is going to be a good water system. There is going to be a potable water. There is going to be a good road network system, a management office, you can see, and the security building. You can see that we've already put in place. And our perimeter fencing is standing. You can see everything else. So when we tell you that we will deliver at the exact time we'll tell you, we will actually deliver. This is Angle Blue Estate, and the title on this estate is Governor's Consent. This estate is facing the 3rd road, and as you can see, it's a very busy road. This is not a desolate place. This is Ogombo Road, Abraham Adesoya. You can put it on Google Map in the axis of Ajah, and I know you've been hearing about 8.7 kilometer regional road that will decongest Ajah. So my clients in diaspora, don't be scared of traffic. we're actually working on it, and you will see that from Regional Road is leading you to Lekki Phase 1, so you can't miss your flight in Muritala Mohammed. So key into Angle Blue Estate now on Ogombo Road. We have all your specifications. I'll play the video so that you can see how the house will be. Thank you. My name is Olashile David. If you're coming across my channel for the first time, don't forget to subscribe and turn on the bell notification. Follow us on all our social media handles. You can start the journey of owning a home in Angle Blue Estate. Thank you.